Morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode of
Cook4we.
Alright, so today
We are making cupcakes.
we're making
Cupcakes.
cupcakes.
Daddy, I never made cupcakes before.
Well, I don't have a clue where I do it. First thing we will do is make cupcakes and we're going to make icing.
That butter is very sticky. What about this?
Right.
Yeah, but this is here. That I want to put it. I want to take off one and put it in here. But I will give you back two. Yeah. Yeah. Is in. Okay. Go here.
Alright.
I want to have one egg. I want to do it too. Okay.
Alright, so exactly you take one egg.
So one egg. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Why did you crack it so hard? Why did you crack it so hard? I want to put easy. Now, one more? One more, Daddy?
Yes, you do the next one.
I'll do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I got it. Okay, let me try them up. One more. One more. Now I'm gonna try. Open it. No, don't press it. Oh, no, let me do it. Got it. That boy. Put the darts in. No.
But wait, Zane,
Yeah?
what we forget?
You forget chocolate, yes.
No, we forget dangerous things.
Yes, dangerous.
Dangerous things. Alright, this time Zach saying dangerous things.
But what about me?
You said it for the past 6 episodes.
Okay, 7 episodes of Cook4we.
Alright, 7, you see? Alright, so Zach turn. So dangerous things in the kitchen.
Knives, scissors, stove, hot water, hot pan, an oven, and a heavy pan.
Alright, I have you every time. This sounds okay.
3 seconds.
Show all, come on board. Show all, come on board.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Alright.
Now
Teaspoon of milk.
Daddy, I want to put any milk.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon. That doesn't. Teaspoon. No. This. Oh, that teaspoon. So
Is that
Daddy.
teaspoon?
Yeah. Oh wait, that's tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. Wait, so I have 2. Okay, put it in. Put 2. Now you want to
Put
put
it
it
here
in.
so I wouldn't throw it away now. Put it over your hand.
Put it in here. No, I don't think that. I think I'll put it in here too.
Alright, throw it in. Alright.
Yeah?
Press high.
No more?
More. 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 More.
Can you remember butter get a taste? Let's see. Then you go first. Wow! Chocolate chips. Wait, I do already have chocolate.
Yeah, but that's chocolate. This could be chocolate chips.
Also do it. Thanks, up. See, now slowly doing this. I'm doing it. Why are you not happy?
A few moments later.
And chocolate and strawberry and chocolate to make rainbow.
Alright, you say vanilla.
Vanilla, not chocolate, and not strawberry. It was a lot.
Alright, so for vanilla.
Yeah, I guessed it. I want to mix this. It is the ultimate power. I want to mix it. Cupcake. 3, 2, 1. Gosh, what's that making like that? But let's see. It kind of looking like peanut butter. Yeah, it kind of looking like a drop. What's that? What color is that? Red again. Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Orange. Yeah, just make orange. What? You making yellow? Are you making yellow?
Yeah.
How much do we have of this? It is 2 million.
Mix.
Now this is a real experiment. Yeah, it is the ultimate. Peanut cupcake? So you want to make peanut cupcake? You want to make peanut cupcake again in the punch? I won.
Alright.
I won. My spoon is there. Ow. So you want to make peanut butter cupcake? Peanut butter cupcake. Peanut butter cupcake. On my side of the internet. Peanut butter, not peanut butter. Peanut butter, not peanut butter and Oreos. Peanut butter and Oreos.
Yeah, but Oreos. Alright, mix it up.
Mix it. So while the cupcakes are baking, we are going to make the icing.
Yes, we're going to make the icing. You ever make icing before?
Yeah.
You make ice? What? Okay, we have
No, he didn't.
He will probably. He's a baker and you don't know?
No.
Alright, so the first thing we will need is butter. Zane, do the honors. Put the butter inside.
Okay. So, I also
What are you doing? Come on, open the butter, put the whole butter in it. Alright.
Chocolate. So we have to go to the chocolate stand and the burrito stand. The burrito stand.
Yeah, take the bag.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that. You just take the bag, cut the tip, and then put back that on, and then put the icing in, and then you get an icing pack. You pick any vanilla. Yeah, I'm going great. Great. Wait.
Squeeze it.
Great. Daddy, I think we're gonna have a lot of icing to spare. Daddy, I don't want a lot of icing. Why? Because it will be too much, and then we'll be dead and never come back into our life. What? We were dead because we are eating too much sprinkles, and then we don't want any more until we die. Say what?
Now it's time for the taste test. Yes.
Yeah, because I was taking too long to wait for the taste test.
Alright, so where's the flavors? Where's the flavors we have?
Cherry, vanilla. Chocolate. Peanut butter. Chocolate chip. Peanut butter. Cookie chocolate. And milk.
So who tasting first?
Me.
Who tasting first?
Me.
You taste. Alright, you taste too. Both all taste together.
It's very good.
Which one is this in?
I have a new cherry. I have a new cherry.
So it look like all they like the cupcakes.
Daddy, taste one.
Alright, I will taste this one.
It's a tea.
Vanilla.
The tea is very good.
Okay. Alright, so thanks again for joining us on another episode of
Cook4we.
Right, and we appreciate every single comment.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's why you have to make it.
So thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah, and you better make it.
Yeah, well, you better try and make it in truth. And thank you very much for joining us. I tell you that already?
Yeah, you said that 3 times.
Okay, well, thank you very much
That's 4.
for the comments. Thank you very much
5.
for all the likes and support. So who eating all this?
Xander. That's it. No. Xander's not going to eat all. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to eat this.